In the Philippines, the construction industry continues to expand rapidly, fueling a significant demand for wood products. However, this demand heavily relies on imported timber due to the declining availability of local wood. 75% of the wood products come from imports, where the majority includes plywood. These imports rose by 15% as recorded in 2021 and are expected to continue rising in the coming years. This is further compounded by the construction industry's significant contribution to global carbon emissions for about 37%, making it a major contributor to environmental degradation. With all these challenges mentioned, we could wonder, can nature still offer an alternative solution, one that's renewable, sustainable, and closer to home? Bamboo is a fast-growing renewable material with physical and mechanical properties comparable to traditional wood, and Lampakanay is a naturally abundant fiber widely used for woven products. Recognizing their sustainability, we sought to combine these two materials to develop Lambooply, a bamboo-based plywood reinforced with Lampakanay fibers, offering a sustainable plywood that is renewable and with better properties than traditional plywood.